Hey everyone, welcome back. We all want to feel our best and live our healthiest lives, right? Good news, it starts with nutrition. Let's face it, with so many diets and trends out there, eating healthy can feel really overwhelming. So today I'm breaking it down into 7 simple realistic tips to improve your nutrition. No complicated diet, just easy steps you can start today. Let's dive in. Focus on whole foods first. One of the best things you can do for your nutrition, go for whole foods. Fresh fruits, veggies, lean proteins, all grains, food as close to their natural state as possible. These are packed with nutrients and free from added chemicals. Just in to make most of your plates look like this, and you are off to a great start. Hydrate like a pro. We know water is important, but it's easy to forget. Staying hydrated boosts your energy, helps digestion, and keeps your skin glowing. Start by carrying a water bottle with you or setting little reminders to sip throughout the day. You'll feel the difference in no time. Don't skip this fiber. Fiber is your friend. It helps with digestion, keeps you full, and even regulates blood sugar. Load up on high fiber foods like all grains, beans, and veggies. Trust me, your body will thank you. Add more color to your plate. Did you know each color of food represents different nutrients? Red, green, yellow, purple. Each color has its own health benefits. Try to eat a rainbow each day and you will cover a wide range of vitamins and minerals without even thinking about it. Eat mindfully. Mindful eating isn't just about what you eat, it's about how you eat what you eat. Slow down, savor each bite, and listen to your body. Eating mindfully can help with portion control and makes meals more satisfying. Plus, it gives you a moment to really enjoy your food. Plan ahead for success. Life do get busy, and that's when we are tempted to grab fast food or a sugary snack. A little meal prep can make a huge difference. Prepping snacks or planning your meals for the week help you stick to nutritious choices even on your busiest days. Last but not the least, make it a lifestyle, not a diet. Finally, think long term. The goal is to build sustainable healthy habits, not follow restrictive diets, one that you will do today and maybe you do it this week and the following week you just forget about it. Eating well should make you feel great, not stressed. Find healthy foods you love and keep it balanced. It's all about progress, not perfection. And there you have it. 7 tips to start improving your nutrition today. Remember, it's all about taking small, realistic steps that works for you. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and let us know in the comments what's your go-to healthy food. Thanks for watching, and here is to feeling our best. Subscribe for more healthy tips.